Alright guys, I got my Stanley Cook Set here, and so I'm going to show you what I got set up here. I'm going to do some chicken and rice in this little cook set or cook pot, wherever one you want to refer to. You cook it over a can of Sterno because I don't want to build a fire. So I'll show you these nests in these the Glacier or the Ozark Trail Cup from Walmart, little cheap ones. It fits right in there. I'll show you what I've got in here. Shit. And fits the cup too, the lid. And then mine, so I got in here, got a handkerchief or bandana, a little fire kit, and here's my rice. It's 1 cup of rice. The nesting cup, and I got some salt in there. Go ahead and get all this out. So I'll get the Sterno lit and get all this put in here, and then I'll come back. Okay, there it is. Once you get it going, can open works pretty good. And just want to go around, make sure you missed any little spots like I did. Yeah, right there. There you go. Can works pretty good on these. Alright, there's my chicken in the can. I'm gonna get some water in my cup, get all this in there, and get the Sterno lit. And keep your water with your chicken, because that's your flavoring right there. So I'll be right back. I want to show y'all guys something on these cups. I don't know if you can see the line right there in the cup. That's exactly 1 cup of water. And for this recipe, let's see, you need 2 cups of water for 1 cup of rice. Here we have it. Now I'm going to take my chicken. I'm just going to strain the water. Down in there. Alright, I'm gonna get this sterno lit. I'll be right back. Ooh, that's hot. Just lit now. Get it. Alright. Get this on here. Like so. We'll come back when this water's hot enough. Start adding the rice. So stay with me. Alright guys, my water's hot enough and go ahead and add everything. Got my bag of rice here. Get my rice in. And now I got my chicken here, and you can see I just went ahead and just mixed it all up from them chunks. And you want to add your chicken about midway in when your rice is about halfway done, so you don't cook your chicken too much. And that stuff right there is sealed in that can. It's a great food source to take with you in your backpack to make some simple meals with. You can eat it right out of the can too. Alright, we'll let that cook a little while longer. Alright, my rice is halfway cooked. I'll go ahead and add my chicken. And that's all I can add right now. The water's about to overfill. Stir that up. Alright, let that cook down. be back when it's done. I'm just gonna leave the lid on it. It'll cook down eventually. Alright, well it's done. Done enough for me though. Oh, it's a little bit too much for this pot to do 1 cup of rice and 2 cups of water. Probably have to get it down to like half a cup of rice and like a cup and a half of water. It'd probably be good. But it will cook a cup of rice. That's about all you can get in there. See if I can get a close-up shot of that. Oh, damn camera. Hopefully you can got me in the frame here. That is some good stuff right there. Well, thanks for joining me. That's chicken and rice in the Stanley Cook Set, Adventure Cook Set. A lot of people call it a cup, but it could be called a cup or a pot. It really don't matter. Well, that's my little quick chicken and rice recipe for you. If you want to cook this faster, you can use that minute rice. Just kind of pre-cook. It'll cook a lot faster. Alright, have a good one.